Hey, Tech Life Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make a calendar with Canva. So before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So from your Canva homepage, we are going to click onto the left-hand side on the templates tab. So as you probably know, there's millions of really cool templates on Canva. That is the same for the calendar. So we're going to search for calendar templates and choose one to edit ourselves. So thousands will come up, but remember that you can further filter these with the style. So what style of calendar do you want to create? Do you want something more simple, modern, minimalist, clean, black, white, or do you want something brighter like floral, colorful, playful? So let's have a look at colorful. So as you can see, lots of really cool and professional designs come up. Some might not be for this year, but remember you can always edit that. So let's have a look. I think I'm going to choose, let's just choose this one at the top. I quite like this one. So click on the design of the calendar that you want and then click on customize this template. From there, you can edit it to your liking. So you can change like the font if you like, change out the images, change the colors. So if I want to keep this image, I might want to just change that blue to something a little bit brighter, something like that. If you don't like what you've done, just click back to undo the edit. And say if I wanted to change the font. So I click on here and the current font is Dingo Stamp. Say I wanted to change it to something else like Fag Grounded. I would have to go through and change it on every part of the calendar, but what you can do after changing one bit is just click on change all and Canva will change the font across your design, which is really, really helpful and just saves you a lot of time. Of course, if you don't like that, just click back and it will change everything back for you. When you're happy with your calendar, give it a name. So I'm just going to leave it as 2026 calendar. And then you need to download it. So you have different options for download as usual. Click on download and the suggested one is PDF print. And click on which pages you want to download and click on download. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.